Okay, so the first thing you have to do is open this utility. It's been a little while since I've done it. Select your main volume, your main disk. I've only got one in here, so I ain't got much choice. Then click on partition. Partition wizard clicks up. Not like you can move it. So click the plus to add a partition. I need about 60 gigabytes. I just need it for a couple of tools for data recovery. That'll do. In fact, you can dial it there. A lot easier. And then MS-DOS FAT. Let me change it now. So apply. It's going to lock the hard drive and so the next step is to create your installation USB. So we're going to use Balena Etcher. So it says flash file. You've got to find your file you want to flash. So Ubuntu. Select your target. Just make sure you send it to the right one. Mine's a 16 gigabyte, and it is disk 2. And then just press flash. It's now going to copy. Go, let it go, and let it validate. It's going to take a while. It's saying 11 minutes so far. So that's it. Just let it do its work. Okay, so the installer's made, the Ubuntu installer. So I'm just going to put it in, and now I'm going to restart, and then I'm going to hold the option button down as it reboots back up. I think I might have missed it. We'll soon find out. But I'm holding the button down now. So it's doing something. So I'm going to try the EFI boot, and then it's going to give me a few options. I'll try the ESP. So it's going to try or uninstall Ubuntu. So press enter. Now it's going to load. And install Ubuntu. I'll come back when it gets to something more interesting. Okay, so when you're here, just select which language you need. I'm not going to connect to the internet. You should connect to the internet. So you want to install it, obviously. So you've got to do interactive. So I want to set the default. You want it select the extended so you get more stuff. I've already done this, so I'm just trying to rush through it. I don't want to do extended, so it's going to take longer. So you really want to be installing the apps for your graphics and your etc. I'll be selecting both of them if I had the options, but I've only got one option on that. Okay, so at this page you need to go to manual installation. 460 gigabytes. Click on it. Obviously it says Ubuntu already because I've already done this, but you want to be pressing minus to create a free space. Keep it selected and press plus. Create an ext file system, and then the mounting point is / as bootable, but just leave / then press OK. And then next. Okay, so that's all the hard work done. You've got to create your account now and then carry on till it ends. I'm going to turn this off now, so it ain't ruined my installation. No, looks like mine's fine. That's good.